Hi, I apologize for the lighting. So I have sweet potatoes which have been roasted. I have one eggplant which has been roasted. I have some roasted garlic, but you can use fresh garlic if you want. I have some chopped up parsley, but you can use cilantro if you want. I have the juice of a lemon, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini, a couple of tablespoons of natural unsweetened soy yogurt. You can use any plant yogurt you want as long as it's unsweetened, natural. The spices, I have 1 teaspoon of cumin. I have about a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. You can use more. I just don't like too much paprika. A pinch of black pepper and a pinch of chili flakes. You can, if you don't want chili flakes, you can omit these. I start off by peeling the aubergine, the eggplant. And then I use 2 forks to tease the eggplant apart. You can use a stick blender if you want, or the food processor, but I like it chunky. If you like it more smooth and liquidy, then you use those. Put it in a plate and keep apart. And now I will be peeling the sweet potatoes and mashing them. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share, click the bell icon so that you are you know whenever I publish a new video. So after mashing the sweet potatoes, I add half of the mashed potatoes to the eggplant. The other half, I add everything, all the ingredients that I told you, except the plant yogurt. You see me, I'm kind of, I add half of what's there and then mix and taste, and then I add some more and then mix and taste. This is the best way really to do things, because you know, I may like it very with a lot of tahini, or you may want more tahini than I do, or less garlic, or more lemon. So do it in stages and taste it, and when you get to the point that you like, then stop. But anyway, I will be giving all the ingredients in the description box. You can see me here that I decided I want more lemon. Now I'm working on the aubergine sweet potato mixture. Again, the same ingredients, but this time I'm adding the yogurt. The yogurt will stop the eggplant from going black. And also, if you don't want, in either case, in this case and in the just the sweet potato mixture, if you want, you can just put the yogurt without the tahini if you want it less fat. So I'm mixing here, and once I mix it, I leave both mixtures in the fridge for a few hours to let the tastes and everything infuse together. And then we have a taste test later on. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you for watching. Hasta luego. Right, so this is the taste test. We'll taste it first with carrots. Just this one is just the sweet potatoes, okay? Sweet potatoes, tahini, and spices and herbs. Oh. You like?
Nice. Yeah.
Taste it with this.
The same?
Yeah.
Oh. Very nice with this.
I like it better with this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, let's do it with crackers.
Nice.
Out of 10, what do you give it? No, let's taste the other one and
Yeah.
then.
Yeah.
Okay. This one is the mixture of sweet potato and eggplant.
Good. Again, it's nicer.
Yeah.
Okay. That's nice.
Right. How much do you give this one?
I think I like this better.
You like this better? I do.
I think so.
I do too.
Yeah.
This one is the one that is just the sweet potatoes and without the eggplant. This one is the one with the eggplant. So I like this one.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay. Let's have some more.
Okay. Now we finished. Ooh. That's a lot.
Okay.
Yeah. Really nice.
Thanks for watching. Hasta luego.
Ciao.